Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today it's gonna be a quick short video, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. I'm just going to explain something and answer a question that many people have asked me before as to why do I just use a small outboard with a small boat, because it's a 10 footer, to be exact, 9.6 feet long, and I have a 6 horsepower outboard with me. This is a little Tohatsu. A lot of folks have asked me, why don't I use something bigger? And I have used I used to have a 13 footer, 12.5 to be exact, and a 10 horsepower outboard. Problem is, going out every weekend, and because I don't use a trailer, I pack it in my car, take it out. It is a lot easier for me to actually use the 6 horsepower that only weighs maybe 60 pounds. The 10 horsepower weighs 80, 100 pounds, and it takes a toll. And it did. That's what made me change my mind. I need to find a way to actually get in the water, make my videos, show everybody, what Florida's about and the outdoors. And this is a perfect combination for me because it's easy. This boat itself weighs about 100 pounds. It's easy. I don't have to carry it for too long. I put it on a hand cart when I'm at home. I'm gonna show you guys some footage of what that looks like. So that's mainly the reason why. Convenience, practicality. I tend to be a minimalist in a way, and I like to have fun, be out here, but I don't want to have something too bulky and too big. I want something that I can actually use every weekend without dreading the idea of me, going out. So that's basically it. So today I'm in Tampa Bay. I got some family that's staying at a hotel. I'm gonna go, they're in Clearwater. I might as well tag you guys along. I'm gonna actually go that way towards the beach and show you guys the area. And I'm also gonna shoot the sunset, so I'm gonna put that on this video as well. So yeah, that's the reason why, guys. Practicality. You wanna be able to go out there, have fun without having to put up with too much. Now, things change when you actually have a lot of people with you. If you have 4 or 5 people, even 2 actually, you wanna have something bigger. But for a guy like me that goes by himself most of the time, this is perfect. Yeah! Tampa Bay, baby! Woo! On my way to Clearwater. Woo! All right, so now I am in Clearwater. You guys can see. Got my niece with me and a friend. Hello. And yeah, my family is there. So yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned for the sunset. It's coming up.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful.